if you want to make a lot of money without working yourself to death, then you need a personal brand. However, not everyone is in the right position yet to start a personal brand. So there are steps that need to be taken before you start a personal brand. So this would be a short video, but I'm going to share how I built my personal brand from scratch. I don't have a big personal brand, but I've generated millions of dollars online from my personal brand. So I started posting content online, or I started my online business. I used to work a 9-to-5, and I started my online business in 2016. So I quit my job in 2016 when I was making more from my business. I used to be a project manager, and I quit my job September 2016. So my first business was an e-commerce business, and I had that e-commerce business from 2016 until 2018 or so. 2018, I sold that business. That's when I started a service business. It was called Growth Response. And I didn't post content. I didn't build a personal brand. I didn't post content. I didn't do anything public around branding or myself until 2020. Okay, so 2020, January, I think it was January 21st, 2020, is when I uploaded my first YouTube video. So basically what I had done was I had spent 4 years building businesses, doing things on my own, acquiring skills, and I didn't post a single piece of content online until 2020, okay? And so the first step, if you want to build a personal brand, the first step is you need to do something that other people want to do, okay? So, and you actually need to go and achieve something that other people want to achieve with that thing. So in my case, I had spent 3.5 years or so building up a lead generation agency. And when I posted my first video, it was called How to Start a Drop Servicing Business. And that term, it was before that term became hot. Drop servicing was pretty trendy. I think it's actually trending now. But my first video on YouTube was how to start a drop servicing business or a drop servicing agency and get it to $50,000 a month, which is what I had done with my agency, my LinkedIn lead generation service. So first step is you have to do something that other people want to do. You have to achieve some result that other people want to achieve. If you just go out and start yapping and posting content and you don't have any results to show for it, then there's no reason for anyone to want to follow your brand, right? So that's step one. Step two is you need to have somewhat of a personality or a different or interesting way of sharing the thing that you did. Okay. So I don't know if I did anything particularly interesting, but I noticed that the videos that I enjoyed watching were really practical and they were really useful. A lot of times they were low production videos, but they would get straight to the point. They're very practical. Like I could apply whatever was taught in the video right away. And so all of my videos were created in that style. And I still create videos like that today, where it's just like camera on the screen and there's a camera on me and I'm kind of just showing over the shoulder what I'm doing. And so that was like, I guess, my different way of explaining it. Also, drop servicing, I have a decent track record with like catching trends, right? Before they become big things. So drop servicing, that keyword was just starting to get hot, and soon after I started talking about it, it became like one of the top keywords in the online business space. So that helped as well, just the right timing with the trends. So step one, you do the thing or do something that other people want to do. Step two is you start sharing it, but in a way that's different or interesting. There's a bit of personality involved with it, and it's different than the other styles of content out there. If you just copy somebody else, you might see a bit of success, but not nearly as much as you could. And then the third step to building a personal brand is you just have to be really, really consistent. Like you have to be in front of people as much as possible. If you look at the biggest brands, social media brands, but even just like brands in general, let's look at the Kardashians. Like they have multiple TV shows, multiple brands, multiple companies. They're always in your face. And so if they're not already billionaires, they will be soon. I'm pretty sure they are though. But they are successful not because they have any like spectacular product or any, I don't know, it's not like they have any specialized skill set, but they're in front of you all the time, right? They're celebrities and they're in front of you all the time. The more frequently you're in front of people, the stronger that relationship gets and the stronger your following gets, and the more likely they are to buy from you regardless of whatever the price point is. So those are the 3 steps. It's not very difficult. Step 1, you do something that other people want to do. Okay? And you need to achieve some result that other people want to achieve. Step 2, you start sharing that result. You start sharing the thing that you do on a social media platform of choice. If you like video, do YouTube, do Instagram. If you like text, do LinkedIn or Facebook or Twitter. And you inject some personality, you explain it in a way that's a bit different and a bit more interesting than other people out there. And then step 3 is you just do it a lot. You frequently post, you stay in front of people, and that's how you build your personal brand. And that's how you're gonna make a lot of money without working a ton, because you can post one piece of content when your audience is big enough, and you can make a lot of money without having to talk to every individual person. So personal brand is important. Not everybody is ready to create one yet, but if you go and follow these steps, you will be in a good position for your personal brand and be set up for the future. So that's it for this video. And if you want to see anything else, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one.